Good morning. A bipartisan group of lawmakers expected to support legislation intended to increase housing supply and decrease prices. The package includes language to boost community banks. The bill also includes cutting housing and environmental regulations. Local communities could get grants for making it easier for builders by offering pre-reviewed housing designs, streamlining construction or housing. Well, Target said in an email to employees obtained by CNBC that it will invest more in store labor and cut about 500 other jobs at distribution centers and regional offices. The big box retailer trying to win back shoppers who've complained about sloppier stores, out of stock items, and longer checkout lines. Well, the Dow closed at another record. The blue chips gained 20 points on Monday. High schools around the country are experimenting with new ways to teach students about personal finances. Educators look to boost students' knowledge about finance and investing. Financial literacy is a growing focus of policymakers as nearly 30 states have implemented laws or regulations. An analysis by the Center for Financial Literacy at Champlain College found by 2031, 29 states will have a requirement for personal finance course as part of graduation requirement. Big tech stocks tried to rally yesterday after a week that saw more than $1 trillion wiped from their market caps. Oracle led the gains among the tech names. Market concerns came as companies announced huge capital expenditure plans for this year amid the AI boom. Well, YouTube TV has introduced cheaper bundles, including a $65 a month sports package. In all, there will be 10 different plans to choose from. All are priced below the $83 a month main YouTube TV plan that has access to more than 100 networks, and those new plans start rolling out this week. Discord will also be rolling out something, age verification, next month for full access to its platform. Discord users will need to be confirmed as adults in order to unblur sensitive content or turn off the setting, and only adults can access age-restricted channels, servers, and app commands. To complete the age verification, users need to either complete a facial age estimation or submit an ID to Discord's vendor partners. Oil prices are sending a pretty clear signal on the first round of the U.S.-Iran negotiations aimed at avoiding war. And that is, talking is good. But oil traders don't want to relax just yet. Meanwhile, Cuba says it is out of jet fuel. The country got no oil for the first time in a decade as Mexico pulled out and Venezuela no longer supplies oil to them. Some international airlines have ceased flying to the island nation. Toyota revealed the Highlander EV as its first three-row electric SUV. Beyond the Highlander nameplate, the video also confirmed it will be available with an all-wheel drive powertrain. The Highlander EV will join Toyota's growing U.S. electric vehicle lineup. Well, GasBuddy says even though oil prices slipped slightly last week amid reduced geopolitical risk, strengthening seasonal factors are likely to intensify. And that could drive the national average back above the $3 per gallon mark, where prices could remain for at least the spring. The nation's average price of gas rose 1.2 cents over the past week and stands at $2.84 a gallon. And Starbucks rolling out what appears to be one of its most wide-ranging menu updates in years, including its biggest bakery refresh ever, a core coffee edition, and permanent drink launches. Among the changes, globally inspired pastries and new matcha drinks. Executives say the goal is to add innovation without undoing recent gains. From the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Jane King with your Ag and Energy Report. AI chatbots, which have fast become a major source of health information, are in fact not so good at providing medical advice. The experiment from the Oxford Internet Institute found that chatbots were no better than Google, already a flawed source of health information, at guiding users toward the correct diagnosis or helping them determine what they should do next. There were also some risks. Sometimes the chatbot presented false information or dramatically changed its advice depending on slight changes in the wording of the questions. Eli Lilly and Company agreed to buy Orna Therapeutics for up to $2.4 billion in cash to to expand its pipeline beyond its obesity drug, Zepbound. Orna is developing treatments for autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis using circular RNA to send instructions to cells. Well, staying in is becoming all the rage, especially for girls' night. A survey of 2,000 women who are 21 plus found that women officially more in favor of nights with their gal pals in rather than nights out. Now, leading up to Galentine's Day, Talker Research conducted the study on behalf of Cabot Creamery to uncover the perfect formula for a night in, and self-care was a part of it. From the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Jane King. Here's to your health.